गुरवे गौरचन्द्राय राधिका वै तदालय कृष्णाय कृष्णभक्ताय तद्भक्ताय नमो नमः। वंशाकल्पतरुश्च कृपा सिन्धुवैव च पतितानां पावनेभ्यो वैष्णवे नमो महावदन्नाय कृष्णप्रेमप्रदायते कृष्णाय कृष्णचैतन्य नाम्ने गौरतिसे नमः। हे कृष्ण करुणा सिन्धु दीनबन्धु जगत्पते गोपीश गोपिकान्त राधाकान्त नमोस्तुते। सप्तकाञ्चन गौराङ्गी राधे वृन्दावनेश्वरी विश्वभानुसुते देवी प्रणमामि हरिप्रिये। ॐ वृन्दावै तुलसी देवै प्रिया वै केशवस्य च कृष्णभक्ति प्रदे देवी सत्तवत्यै नमः। श्री कृष्ण चैतन्य प्रभु नित्यानंद श्री अद्वैत गदाधर श्रीवासदि श्री गौरभक्तवृंद। हरे कृष्ण 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 हरे 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 राम 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 हरे हरे। So first of all, I offer my humble, respectful obeisances unto lotus feet of my Guru Pad Padma, Nitya-lila Pravishtam Vishnupad, Ashtutra Satismad Bhakti Vedanta Srila Vaman Goswami Maharaj, and Nitya-lila Pravishtam Vishnupad, Ashtutra Satismad Bhakti Vedanta Srila Narayan Goswami Maharaj. Simultaneously offer my humble, respectful Dhanavad Pranam, lotus feet of Nitya-lila Pravishtam Vishnupad, Ashtutra Satismad Bhakti Vedanta Srila Swami Maharaj, Srila Bhakti Vigyan Bharati Goswami Maharaj, Bhakti Rakashidhar Goswami, Bhakti Puri Goswami Maharaj, and all senior devotees and all Vaishnavis, and presented all of my respectful guests. So today is the very super excellent auspicious day. So actual today we are speaking so many Hari Katha and different Vaishnavas. They also glorify about Rupa Goswami's life history and his contribution, because today the disappearance day of Srila Rupa Goswami. Though there are many eternal associates of Lord Chaitanya Mahaprabhu, but Rupa Goswami Pad is the very nearest dearest Lord Chaitanya Mahaprabhu, because Lord Chaitanya Mahaprabhu invested all his potency Shakti in his heart. And Lord Chaitanya Mahaprabhu himself told, যে যোগ্য পাত্র দেখি সমস্ত প্রেম ধন দেনু। And I realized Rupa, he is qualified for this regard. I invested all my treasure of heart to Rupa Goswami path. So today is very super auspicious day, and how Rupa Goswami, when he was the very nearest dearest of Lord Chaitanya Mahaprabhu, and especially all the Gaudiya Vaishnavas, they will be proud when they speak in themselves, I am Rupanuga Vaishnava, and I am following the footsteps of Rupa Goswami for the Rupanuga Vaishnava. So, once in Navadvip Dham, and all many prominent Vaishnavas they assembled, and especially Srila Vaman Goswami Maharaj, Srila Trivikram Goswami Maharaj, Bhakti Jivan Janardhan Goswami Maharaj. Bhakti Jivan Janardhan Goswami means who is the very nearest dear of Bhakti Siddhanta Prabhupada. And that means Bhakti Jivan Janardhan Goswami Maharaj, he was the disciple of Bhakti Siddhanta Saraswati Prabhupada. Day and night he absorbed Nam Sankirtan and cried for Srimati Radhika, Ha Vishabhanandini, Ha Vishabhanandini. And he was very Rasik Vaishnava also. And just a little bit introduce about Bhakti Jivan Janardhan Goswami Pad, Bhakti Jivan Janardhan Goswami Maharaj. And when he used to come in Braj, most of the time he also spent in our temple, Mathura temple. And about 2-3 months continue, he was staying in our temple, Mathura, especially in during that time of Brajamandal Parikrama. And he also, most of the time, he used to come with us and, and to Parikrama, Giriraj, Govardhan Parikrama. And when he used to come in Braj, he never used any shoes. Because he told this Braj Bhumi, the dust of Braj, the transcendental, and the dust of the feet of the gopis, and Saran Dhuli. For this regard, I saw he was about 80 years old, more than 80 years old, but he never used the shoes and barefoot. He also performed Brajmanal Parikrama with us, and also doing Parikrama, Giriraj, Govardhan Parikrama, Nandagaon, Varshana, everything. Um, and sometimes also blood coming from his lotus feet, but still he was and chanting holy names and crying. This was Ha Vrishabhanandini, Ha Vrishabhanandini, Ha Vrishabhanandini. Means, oh, the daughter of Vrishabhanu Maharaj. And he was crying and crying. Sometimes he was rolling on the ground and in the dust of Govardhan. And sometimes he was crying. And sometimes also blood coming from his lotus feet. And we saw these things. Sometimes also nourishment is lotus feet with our cloth and serve this way. So this high class exalted Mahabhagavat Janardhan Goswami Maharaj, and he was also in the assembly house in Navadip Parikrama, and also my Gurudev Vaman Goswami Maharaj, Silanand Goswami Maharaj, Trivikram Goswami Maharaj, and also many prominent Vaishnava Devananda Gauriya Math also. And that time, Srila Gurudev Narayan Goswami Maharaj, he asked to him, very humble, Maharaj, we heard two kinds of bhakti. One is called Vaidhi Bhakti, another is called Raganuga Bhakti. Two kinds of bhakti. One is called Vaidhi Bhakti, another is called Raganuga Bhakti. Vaidhi Bhakti leads to Vaikuntha, Raganuga Bhakti leads to Golok Vrindavan. But we heard our Vaishnavas, especially in our Gaudiya Vaishnav, they are always very proud when they give their own identification. We are Rupanuga Vaishnava. So I have want to know from your lotus feet, I want to know from you, what is the speciality of Rupanuga Gaudiya Vaishnava? Because most of the Gaudiya Vaishnava, they are very proud when they speaking themselves, and we are Rupanuga Vaishnava. So please explain this way. Because Janardhan Bhakti Jivan Janardhan Goswami Maharaj, he was very prominent Acharya also, and also Rasik Vaishnavas. And so for this regard, asked to him, but Janardhan Bhakti Jivan Janardhan Goswami Maharaj, he was very humble. And then he told, oh, maybe Vaman Goswami Maharaj can speak these things, because Vaman Goswami Maharaj also Rasik Vaishnavas, and he is very prominent, because Vaman Goswami Maharaj, he took Harinam from Bhakti Siddhanta Saraswati Prabhupada. And because Vaman Goswami Maharaj and Srila Bhaktijivan Janardhan Goswami Maharaj both were very close friends. Because my Gurudev also told, when I came, then Bhaktijivan Janardhan Goswami Maharaj, he also always stay with me as like close friend. So for this regard, and he introduced to Vaman Goswami Maharaj. But my Gurudev, he very humble, he told, oh, maybe Narayan Goswami Maharaj, he can explain about these topics, subjects. And what is the speciality of Rupanuga Vaishnav? And, and that time, Srila Gurudev Narayan Goswami Maharaj, very humble, and he told, and the two kinds of sadhak. One is called Vaidhimargya sadhak, another is called Ragmargya sadhak. Vaidhimargya sadhak means, that means those who are following the rules and regulations of the scriptures, and how to attain to Vaikuntha Dham, that is called Vaidhimarga. That means two kinds of, again, bhakti. One is called Vaidhi Bhakti, another is called Raganuga Bhakti. Vaidhi Bhakti means those who have no spontaneous love and affection to Lord by the fear of death or going to the hell. So those who are practicing this bhakti, they are called Vaidhi Bhakti. रागहीन जन भजे शास्त्रेर आज्ञाय वैधि भक्ति बोली तारे सर्वशास्त्रे गाय. In Chaitanya Charitamritam, Krishnadas Kaviraj Goswami very simple way in this Bengali song explain what is the meaning of Vaidhi Bhakti. Raghin jan bhaje shastrir agnay. Those who have no spontaneous love and affection with the Lord, just following the rules and regulations of the Shastra. Shastra say these things, I have to follow these things. Why? Because if you will not follow the Shastra, maybe I will go hell. For the fear of going to hell, Naraka, and he follows all the rules and regulations of Shastra. So that kinds of bhakti is called Vaidhi Bhakti. Very simple way, Chaitanya Charitamritam, Krishnadas Kaviraj Goswami explained, Raghin jan bhaje shastrir agnay. Vaidhi Bhakti boli tare sarva shastri gai. All the scriptures glorify about this is called Vaidhi Bhakti. But this Vaidhi Bhakti leads to Vaikuntha. And so only you follow the Vaidhi Bhakti rules and regulations of the scriptures, then you will attain Vaikuntha Dham. A Rag Bhakti means one who listens the pastimes of Krishna, Krishna's Braj Katha, and sometimes greed comes. Krishna Bhakti Rasabhavita Mati Kriyatang Jyoti Kutobi Labhate Tatrapi Laulam Mullang Janmokati Sukritana Labhate. Here Chaitanya Charitamritam, according to the conversation between Chaitanya Mahaprabhu and Ramananda, that is the Ramananda Sambad. Ramananda, he quoted this verse, Krishna Bhakti Rasabhavita Mati Kriyatang Jyoti Kutobi Labhate Tatrapi Laulam Mullang Janmokati Sukritana Labhate. If you see one's heart full of Braja Prem, and his heart is always absorbed in Braj Katha, not in others' Katha. And as like if you put the Rasgulla in the, what is called, soap, Rasgulla juice, and again you take out that the Rasgulla with the two fingers, then dropping the Rasa. In the same way, one's heart completely absorbed in Braja Prem. So if you see these types of sadhaka or Nityasiddha Parikars of Lord, then you listen the sweet and amorous pastimes of Krishna, then your greed will come. But how will you take this? This is just you pay your greed, not other than this. and greed. So the Krishna bhakti rasabhavita mati. Mati means his mind, his heart, and intelligence, completely absorbed in Braj Katha. And Krishna Bhakti Rasabhavita Mati Kriyatang Jidi Kuputkuta Labhate. And you see how to take by it by the, that is called by your greed. That is called Lobha Rupi Mulya ke Dwara Kharid lo. That means you buy it with your greed. Not other than this. So these types of bhakti, that is called the Raganuga bhakti. Again, Gurudev also continue explain in Bhakti Rasamrita Sindhu, Ujjal, in many all the Rasa Shastras, there are so many glorifications of Krishna's Nitya Parikar, such as Dasa, Sakha, Vatsalya, and Madhurya Bhav. And as like Dasa Bhav, Bhakta, Raktapatrak, Sakha, that is called Subal Sridham, Vatsalya, Nanda Jasoda, or Madhur, Gopis, especially Srimati Radhika, and her eternal associates Nitya Parikar. And so these types of katha, they are how they have spontaneous love and affection with Krishna. Then your greed will come. Yeah, I have to serve to Krishna under guidance of the eternal associate of Krishna, Krishna Nitya Parikar, and have to receive one specific mood and from their heart and serve to divine Radha and Krishna. These types of bhakti is called Raganuga bhakti. But this first we also discuss this thing, who is called Ragatmik. Ragatmik then we stay sarasika rago param avishtata bhavit. तन्मय तो भवेद भुक्त सा रागात्मिका कुदिता रागात्मिका अनुसृता जैसा रागानुगा उच्यते विराजन्ति अभिव्यक्तं ब्रजवासी जनादिषु विराजन्ति अभिव्यक्तिं ब्रजवासी जनादिषु means those who are the eternal associators of Krishna, Krishna's Nitya Parikar, in their hearts spontaneous love and affection with Krishna. So how do you know they have spontaneous love and affection with Krishna? There are two symptoms here. So saying in this word, iste sarusika raga, param avishtata bhavit. And iste sarusika, according to their rasmadhurja, they absorb with Krishna. Iste sarusika. Iste sarusika, param avishta. Param avishta means they are absolutely absorbed in that the mood. And iste sarasika rag, sarasika, meaning according to their own rasa, they also absorb to serve to Krishna. As like, again, I also explain this way, that is dasa rasa, raktapatrak, they absorb to Krishna, absorb to serve to Krishna with the dasa bhav. Sakha mood, subal siddham, they absorb to Krishna with their friendship mood. Vatsalya, Nanda Jasoda, they absorb to serve to Krishna with their parental mood. Madhurya Ras, Gopis, Srimati Radhika, Lalita, Vishakha, Rupanjali, Rutmiji, all they also serve to Krishna according to their Madhurya Ras, sweetness mode. So one who listens this katha, how this Brajavasis, Dasa Sakha Vatsalya Madhurya Brajavasis, they absorb with Krishna and servicing to Krishna. So when this katha you listen, then your greed will come. I have to listen. So Nitya Siddha Brajavasis, they are called Ragatmik Jan. Raga, Atmika, Ragatmik. And Rag means deep attachment. And this spontaneous, they are love and affection with Krishna. Raga, Atmika, iti Ragatmika. So Nitya Siddha Parikar of Krishna, in their hearts spontaneous love and affection with Krishna. For this regard, they are called ragatmik jan. Iste sarasika rago param avishtata bhavit. तन्मय तो भवित भूतु स रागात्मिका को दी और रागात्मिका अनुसृता स रागानुग उच्यते. Raganuga means those who are following that the footsteps of Krishna's Nitya Parikar and hankering how to receive want their sprinkle of mood and manifest in their heart and serve to divine Radha and Krishna. That is called Raganuga. Here is one thing also explained. Vaikuntha, Ajodhya, Dwaraka, Mathura, Golok Vrindavan. Actually, all the eternal associators of Lord, they are also called Ragatmik Jan. Such as in Vaikuntha Dham. Vaikuntha Dham, Gaururji, Gaurura, who is the carrier of Lord Vishnu. Gaurur also, he is called Ragatmik Jan. Hanumanji, Rama Loka, Ayodhya, Hanumanji also, he is called Ragatmik. Raga Atmika, spontaneous love and affection and with Lord Ramachandra. Hanuman Das Sabhav, and always day and night absorbed to serve to Lord Ramachandra. For this regard, Hanuman, he is called King Karami. King Karumi, Aham Kim Karumi, Aham Kim Karumi. Kim Karumi, and Aham Kim Karumi, King. Kinkar. Kinkar means servants. Or Kim Karumi, means how can I fulfill all the desires of my Ishtadeva. अपने Ishtadev की सेवा में से करता. Day and night he also absorbed Hanuman ji. So Hanuman ji also he is called Ragatmik Jan. Or Brajavasi they also called Ragatmik Jan. Eternal ascended Krishna. This spontaneous and love and affection with Krishna. Jaduhone abahane matana pralepa prengche chanadvarudito chanamarjanadu gayanti chaino anurakta dhiyavo srukanto dhanna brajastriyo urukramo chittajano. Srimad Bhagavatam gives evidence how Brajavasi and they are called Ragatmik Jam. They mean day and night always absorbed with Krishna Katha, Krishna Seva and Krishna Nam. Even when the Jaduhane, Abahane, Mathana, Pralepa, when they were milking the cows, they also absorb with Krishna. 1 second they never forget to Krishna. Vismriti, they never forget to Krishna. Day and night absorb with Krishna. So Ragatmik Jan, this is the symptom. Those the eternal ascent of Krishna. And Abhishtata and Utkanthata. Utkantha. And Abhishtata, absorption. Utkantha means eagerness. And so now coming in this way, so Rupa Goswami Pad also in his Bhakti Rasamrita Sindhu also explains Virajanti Vibhaktim Brajavasi Janadisu. And even those who are the eternal ascent of Krishna, and this mood always in their heart. And so one who listens this Brajavasis, these types of Seva Vritti, that time he is hankering, oh, I have to serve to Krishna under guidance of this Brajavasi. Just to give an example, when you listen Dambandhan Lila Katha, how Mother Jasoda, she served to Krishna with her Vatsalya Bhav. Then you are thinking, I serve to Krishna and with Vatsalya Bhav. And then you have to follow the footsteps of Mother Jasoda or Nanda Maharaj. Without following the footsteps, without following the under guidance of Nanda Jasoda, you never attain these types of bhakti. So this is called Raganuga Bhakti. So now, so far this here, the Ragadmika Anusrita sa Raganuga Uchyate. Who is called Raganuga? Now, one who follows the footsteps of Ragatmik Jan, and to servicing to the Ishtadev under guidance of that specific Brajavasis. That is called Ragatmik Jan, Raganuga Jan. So saying these words, ये इष्टे सारसिक रागो परम अविश्रुता भवे तन्मय तो भवे बुद्धा रागात्मिका को दिता और रागात्मिका अनुष्ठिता जैसा रागानुग उच्चते. And you cannot direct serve to Krishna and with your parental mood. And that is called aham grupasana will come. If you think I am the father mother of Krishna, this is called aham graha upasana will come. And that is called impartialism will come. Then you will derail from bhakti. And so now coming in this way, and what is the speciality of Rupanuga? And because all Gaudiya Vaishnavas, they are very great and very proud also when they are using this word Rupanuga Vaishnava. Here Rupanuga Vaishnava Srila Gurudev explained and how Rupa Goswami Pad, he served to Srimati Radhika with his Sadhak Sarup and Siddha Sarup. And if you have greed, yeah, I will serve to Srimati Radhika and under guidance of Rupa Goswami or Rupa Manjari, and then you have to follow this line. And because Krishna, because here he is saying this, for this regard, again also our Vishwanath Chakravarti Pad in Ragvartma Chandrika very clearly explained. And two kinds, a sadhaka rupena, siddha rupena cha atrahi, and braja loko anusarata, sadhak roop and siddha roop. If you want to serve Srimati Radhika under guidance of Rupa Manjari, then you have to come in this line in the under guidance of Rupa Goswami. First you follow the footsteps of Rupa Goswami. How Rupa Goswami Pad, he performed in bhajan sadhan in Vrindavan and absorbed with his own eternal transcendental form. So sadhaka rupena, siddha rupena, sadhak roop and his siddha roop. Again, sadhak roop and chanting holy name Sankha Prabhukanama Gananati Kalavasanu Krito Nidrahara Vihara Kadi Vijito Chattu Dinu Chayu Radha Krishna Gunatmite Madhurima Anandeno Sanmohito Bande Rupa Sanatanu Raghujugo Sijiva Gopalako. In the sadhak form of Rupa Goswami, how did he perform bhajan? Sadhana Vrindavan. Day and night, hankering for Srimati Radhika, crying for Srimati Radhika. And as like our Rupanuga Acharya Varja, Srila Raghunath Das Goswami also crying, Kothai go Premamai Radhe Radhe, Tomar Kangal, Tomai Dake Radhe Radhe. Same also Rupanuga Vaishnava, Gaur Das Babaji Maharaj, he also sang this song, Kothai go Premamai Radhe Radhe. That means here Manjari Bhav Seva Paddhati, the process of Manjari Bhav Seva Paddhati, Lord Chaitanya Mahaprabhu first manifested and in the heart of Rupa Goswami. For this regard, Rupa Goswami Pad very clearly explained that this is the process. And Adu Saddha Tatu Sadhu Sangha Bhajana Kriya Anarthamriti Nishtha Ruchi Asakti Bhav and Prem. Then Sneha Man Pranay Rag Anurag Bhav Mahabhav Ruda Udhiruda Moh and Madanakha Mahabhav. But here how to serve and Jugal and Kishore Kishori, mane both youth divine Radha and Krishna. And but here is one thing very clearly explained that there are 5 types of Sakhis of Srimati Radhika. And Sakhi, Nitya Sakhi, Pran Sakhi, Priya Sakhi, and Prana Prishta Sakhi. Nitya Sakhi and Prana Sakhi, actually they are called Manjari. And because in their heart so many things, and that is called Bhavullas, Ruti, Oikantiki, Radha Nishtha, and these types of mood. Radha Nishtha, Oikantiki, Radha Nishtha, one pointed with Srimati Radhika. And Prana Prishta Sakhi, Lalita Visakha, they are called Ubhay Nishtha. Ubhay Nishtha means they love both Radha and Krishna. And another is called Krishna Nishtha Sakhi also, as like Dhanistha, Brinda, Brindarika, they are called Krishna Nishtha Sakhi. They are Nishtha with Krishna. But they also serve Srimati Radhika also, and Krishna. But they are Nishtha with Krishna. For this regard, they are called Krishna Nishtha Sakhi. So now coming in this way, 3 kinds of Sakhis of Srimati Radhika again. One is called Krishna Nishtha Sakhi, another is called Ubhay Nishtha Sakhis, another is called Radha Nishtha Sakhi. Radha's Oikantiki Nishtha. Oikantiki Radha Nishtha. Actually, those who are the Oikantiki Radha Nishtha, one pointed, Oikantiki means one pointed with Srimati Radhika. Radha Meri Samini, मैं राधिन को दास, जन्म जन्म मोहि दियो, वृंदावन को बास. Srimati Radhika, she is my mistress. And life after life, birth after birth, I take birth in Vrindavan. But Srimati Radhika, she is my Samini. Radha Meri Samini, मैं राधिन को दास, जन्म जन्म मोहि दियो, Vrindavan को बास. So actually I want to speak this way, that those who are called Manjaris, they are intense and only Srimati Radhika. Another thing, they never independently meet with Krishna. Even Srimati Radhika sometimes is very tricky, and she says in different ways how to meet with Krishna. But Manjaris, they never independently meet with Krishna. And they are only one pointed with Srimati Radhika. Even sometimes Krishna try to kidnap to them. That means what? What is called? And snakes or grabbing to them. But they are Manjaris, they are very expert how to scare from Krishna. They are very expert also, these Manjaris. They serve both sometimes also. Because Jugal Upasana, Gauriya Vaishnavani, Jugal Radha Krishna Prano Mor, Jugal Kisora, Jivane More Mor, Goti Nahi Mor. Or Kalindira Kule, Keli Kadambero Bane, Ratana Bediru Upor, Basabodione, Gantia Malatir Mala, Duba Dion Dubar Gali, Rupanuga Acharya Varjo, Srila Narottam Das Thakur. So I will make one very nice garland, and that garland offered to both Radha and Krishna. Gantia Malatir Mala Diva Duhar Gali, Adhare Tulia Diva Korpura Tambuli. Even we also offer the Korpur and camphor, Tambul, bitterly, everything to the Giri. But very carefully, because Krishna and he is very naughty. So for this regard, they serve to Krishna very carefully. Because they have one pointed with Srimati, that is called Radha Sneha Dhika. Radha Sneha Dhika, Bhavullas Ruti, Oikantik Radha Nishtha. For this regard, the Srimati Radhika's all kinds of mood automatically reflected in the heart of Manjaris. And if Krishna touch to Srimati Radhika, and that things also automatically also are reflected in the heart of Manjaris. Eh? As like any corner of the string of Bina. Eh? You touch that the string, then there is making sound and going another corner of the Bina. Eh? In the same way. In the same way, and Krishna jadi Radha ke karer person. If Krishna touch the body of Srimati Radhika, and same things also reflected in the and Manjaris, and they also realize the same things. Because Radhika Nishtha, they are one pointed with Srimati Radhika. And so now coming in this way, one who listen these types of katha, and I have to serve Srimati Radhika under guidance of Rupa Goswami or Rupa Manjari, then you absorb in this mood also. As like Narottam Das Thakur, very humble, he sang this song. Kabe loko nath mori, sange laya jabe, sirupera pad padme, more samar pibe. Heno ki hoibe moro, norma sakhi gane, অনুগত নরোত্তমে করিবে শাসনে। শুনিয়াছি সাধু মুখে বলে সর্বজন শ্রীরূপের কৃপায় মিলে মিলে যুগল চরণ। Narottam Das Thakur, very humble, he sang this song. I heard the glories from the lotus lips of sadhu about divine Radha and Krishna. So শুনিয়াছি সাধু মুখে বলে সর্বজন শ্রীরূপের কৃপায় মিলে যুগল চরণ, by the causeless mercy of Rupa Goswami. We attain our highest prem. And same way then again you know, kabe loko natho more sange laya jabe. When my Gurudev Loknath Das Goswami, Loknath Das Goswami transitional constitution form that is called Manjulali. And so Loknath Das Goswami or Manjulali, he will hold my hand and offer to lotus feet of Rupa Goswami or Rupa Manjari. And Rupa Manjari, he will give him chance to serve the lotus feet of Srimati Radhika. And very clearly, this is how we step by step to develop our bhajan and sadhan, anartha nibriti, nishta, ruchi, asakti, then bhav and prem, and then we have to go our ultimate goal also this. And so here Gurudev continue explain this way. And this sadhaka rupena siddha rupena. In the sadhaka group, you have to follow the Rupa Goswami path and footsteps. How did he bhajan and sadhan? Siddha rupena, how Rupa Goswami path? How Rupa Goswami? How Rupa Manjari? And she served to Srimati Radhika. And so this is our aim and object. And for this regard, Rupa Goswami path explain this sadhaka rupena, siddha rupena, and cha atrahi. And braja loka anusarata, braja loka anusarata. And sadhaka rupena, siddha rupena, cha atrahi. Sadhaka group and siddha group. In sadhaka group, you have to absorb with Rupa Goswami under guidance of Guru Padma. And siddha group also you have to absorb with Rupa Manjari. How Rupa Manjari, she serves to Srimati Radhika, and as like topmost Rupanuga Vaishnava, that is called Raghunath Das Goswami, very clearly explained in his Vilap Kusumanjali Grantha, and Sri Rupa Manjari Kararjita Pada Padamu, Vashtandana Bhujar Vitamastakaya, Ha Mudada Kanaka Gauri Padarvindam Sanavayani, Sanakaisti, Sanakaisti, Kim Karishi. Yeah. So in this way, those who are performing bhajan and sadhan under guidance of Rupa Goswami or Rupa Manjari, how to attain the highest prem to serve to Srimati Radhika. They are called Rupanuga Vaishnava. Rupa Anuga, Rupa Anuga. And Gurudev wants his class very clearly explained, we are not saying we are Sanatanuga. We are saying Rupanuga. What is meaning of Rupanuga? How Rupa Goswami Pad. And to serve to Srimati Radhika. Because Rupa Goswami, that means Rupa Manjari, she is very nearest and dearest of Srimati Radhika. And this is very important. And so for this regard, Kavi Karnapur also he explain who is Rupa Manjari. Priyasa Sarupe, Daita Sarupe, Priyasa Sarupe, Daita Sarupe, Prema Sarupe, Sahajaika Rupe. What is this? Priyasa Sarupe, Daita Sarupe, Prema Sarupe, Sahajaka Rupe, Tatanu Rupe. How is very nice. Kavi Karnapur, he glorified. And in Chaitanya Charitamritam, Krishnadas Kaviraj Goswami very clearly explained. The Rupa Manjari means is the direct the manifestation form of Srimati Radhika. And Radhika's Rupa Sarup. And Rupa Manjari. Priyasa Sarup. Priya and precious Sarupe. And is very Sarup and two meanings also always. Priyasa Sarupe. Priya Sarupe. And his very nearest dears also Sarup Damodar. Because Sarup Damodar in Krishna Lila, that is called Lalita Sakhi. Because Lalita Sakhi, she is the topmost Sakhi of among of all the Sakhis of Srimati Radhika. Lalita Sakhi ro Ajugga Kinkari Vinoda Dhori Che Payo. Bhakti Vinod Thakur, he sang this song, Lalita Sakhiro Ajogga Kinkari Vinoda Dhari Che Pai. So, Priyasa Sarupe, Daita Sarupe. And Daita means very near and dearest of Srimati Radhika. And Priyasa Sarupe, Daita Sarupe. किताब की जरूरत होता है प्रेम स्वरूपे and is the direct the manifestation of divine love of Srimati Radhika. Radharani prem swarupi Rupa Manjari. And prem swarupe and sahajatu sahaj viraj sahaj virupe. And sahaj means spontaneous. And how to love and affection with Srimati Radhika. And or Nijanurupe and Nijo Anurupa. And she served to Srimati Radhika, same mode of and realize the heart of Srimati Radhika. And Nijanurupe or Nijanurupe Prabhu Reko Rupe. And is a Prabhu Reko Rupe. And that is that meaning. Prabhu Reko Rupe, Prema Sarupe unto the replace of his personal ecstatic love. Sahajavika Rupe, who was naturally very beautiful. Nijanu Rupe, who exactly follows the principles of Sri Chaitanya Mahaprabhu. And Sri Chaitanya Mahaprabhu and Tatanu Rupe unto Rupa Goswami Pad and Sir Vilas Sarup, who described the pastimes of Lord and Krishna. Vilas, how Radha and Krishna they perform Vilas meeting together. She knows everything. And so there are so many meanings about it. And so Rupa Manjari very near to Srimati Radhika. For the Rupa Goswami path, he wrote one slokas also, Radhika Ashtakam. Vivida Kusuma Bindai, Dhammiladadi, Vigurtamada Gurna, Keki Pinchi Prasastin, Madhur Bebe Modigirna, Tamularagos, Puratamalukopalong, Radhika Archayami. How Rupa Manjari she serves to Srimati Radhika under guidance of Lalita Devi. She collected very nice, beautiful flowers. Then she made very nice, beautiful garland and decorated Srimati Radhika's hair. And in the meantime, one peacock came out from the mountain. When peacock he saw the Srimati Radhika very nice, beautiful and hair, and which the decorate with the flowers. Then that the peacock he became very ashamed and ran away. Why? Because he think everybody glorified my what is called feather. Or now where is the beautiful the hair of Srimati Radhika? Then Rupa Goswami Pad next line he also wrote, according to the under guidance of Lalita Devi, Rupa Manjari, she also made very nice, beautiful pan, betel nut, and that pan she offered to Srimati Radhika. Then Srimati Radhika she offered to Krishna, and Krishna was chewing that the betel nut, and Krishna's lips completely what reddish color. Then Srimati Radhika she was looking how's the beautiful reddish color the lotus leaves of Krishna, and that is called Adhara Usta Bimba Phala Adhara Usta. That means Srimati Krishna's upper and lower leaves is as like ripened bimba fruits, very reddish color. That is reddish color. That is the symptom of anurag. Anurag, deep anurag. So Krishna, Srimati Radhika, she is thinking of how Krishna, he has deep attachment with me. But Krishna is thinking another thing. Krishna is thinking, oh, Srimati Radhika, she is watching my mouth. That means she is very greed to take my pana prasada. So Krishna to tell Srimati Radhika, take my these remnants of pana, betel nut. Then Srimati Radhika's automatically her Brahma Bhav coming. Then Srimati Radhika, she turned her face and she told, I will not take your remnants. Then Krishna by force embraced to her and kissing her cheeks. And then Bhakti Vinod Thakur explained this way, Jamuna Salil Aharane Giya Bujibo Jugala Rosa Are Prema Mugta Hoye Pagolini Prai Gaibo Radhara Josa. When I used to go fetching the water from the Jomuna and see these types of Leela, how Krishna he kissed and also make the very nice beautiful spot marks and circle spot marks on the lips on the cheek of Srimati Radhika, and this katha I will glorified in the assembly house of the Sakhi. So saying Jomuna Pulin Aharane Giya Bujibo Jugala Rosa Har Prema Mugdha Hoye পাগলিনী প্রায় গাইব রাধার যশ আমি গৃহে না যাইব বনে প্রবেশিব অলীলা রসের তরে ত্যাজি কুললাজ ভজ ব্রজরাজ বিনোদ মিনতি করে Bhakti Vinod Thakur he sang this mood. I will give up all my relationship with my family. I will walk on the path of Vrindavan. And I will remember the sweet pastimes. This is the service of Rupa Manjari. And how Rupa Manjari, that means here Rupa Goswami Pad, he wrote this verse, Radhika Ashtakam. And so one who listens this katha, then he is thinking, I have to serve Srimati Radhika under guidance of Rupa Manjari. And so that is called Rupanuga. So Rupanuga Bhajan Paddhati is this way. Now conclusion is that and every Rupanuga, they are called also Raganuga. But every Raganuga, they are not Rupanuga. And so this is the conclusion. And that is called, and the special characteristic of Rupanuga Vaishnavas. So today is very super excellent, auspicious day. We pray to our Guru Pad Padma and under guidance of Guru Pad Padma, and how to realize this mood and greed will come, then serve to Rupa Goswami, then Rupa Manjari, then we'll go Golok Vrindavan and serve direct to Srimati Radhika. But how to then Raghunath Goswami, who is the first Rupanuga Vaishnava. So Raghunath Das Goswami, he quoted one verse. Yeah, how will attend again this? Sadhana, what is that? So saying, Anaradha Radha Padam Bujarenu, Anasrita Binda Atave Tat Padanka, Asambasa Tadabhava Gambhira Chittan, Kuta Sama Sindhu Rasasabagaho. And if you want to submerge in the conjugal mood of divine couple Radha and Krishna, especially you want to serve to Srimati Radhika, you have to follow the three principles. What is the three principles? You have to 1.8 with Srimati Radhika. Second, you have to stay in Braj. Anaradha Radha Padam Mujuru Anashita Binda Otavi. You have to stay in Vrindavan, Brihad Vrindavan. Mamastu Vrindavano Tivisubhasha. And have to stay in Vrindavan. And third, you have to follow the footsteps of Brajarasik, Sadhu and Guru, and listen Braj Vrindavan Katha, Balo Vrindavan Vihari Lal Ki Jai, Jai Jai Sri Radhe. Maybe we also discuss more Rupa Goswami's bhav, mood, how Rupa Goswami Pad, he manifested all the granthas and fulfilled all the desires of Lord Chaitanya Mahaprabhu. And Sri Chaitanya Manobhishtam Sthapitam Jana Bhutali Sang Rupa Kadamajjang Dadati Sapadantikam Srila Rupa Goswami Pad ki Jai Jai Sri Radha. Maybe next class we also discuss and more glorified about Rupa Goswami and Rupa Manjari. Kur Premanande Hari Hari. What is that? ठाकुर जी झूला चेक करो आप इधर भर के करो अच्छा है किससे